Next transaction is student received 40 paise in a rupee out of total debt of rupees 2000 from Gopal because he has been declared as insolvent. So students, there is a Gopal, okay, who owe money to business and he become insolvent, and the business recovered only 40 paise out of total debt. Total debt is 2000 and the business recovered only 40 paise. So student, when the bad debts are there, so the entry will be student cash account debit. Cash account is debited with the amount which is received. Okay, so the amount which is received, these are just for your understanding students. From total debt 2000, only 40 paise is received. So means 800 is received from Gopal. Okay students, and the rest of amount which is remaining from 2000, by deducting from 800 from 2000, the remaining amount is student bad debt because Gopal become insolvent. Okay, so the remaining amount become bad debt. So we write here bad debt account. Why we debit bad debt account? Because bad debt are the loss of the business. All losses are debited students, you already know. So cash account debited, the amount which is received 800, it is debited, and the bad debt account is also debited, the amount which is not received. So from 2000, 800 is received, and the remaining amount, that is 1200 student, it is treated as bad debt. So bad debt is a loss. So the person name is credited here, from whom cash is received, from Gopal. So if we write here to Gopal account. Clear students? And the total amount of debt that Gopal owe to the business is rupees 2000. Okay students, and the narration will be for received 40 paise in a rupee out of total debt of rupees 2000. I hope this transaction is clear to you students. The next transaction is students a sum of rupees 600 earlier written off as bad debt now realized. So students, there are some entry. So this entry related to bad debt, when bad debts are done. Next transaction is related to bad debt recovered. So students, in some cases the person who was declared insolvent earlier, he can get amount of money from some source and he can pay its debts. At that time, the amount which is recovered from that person is treated as bad debt of the business. Okay, so rupees 600, which is earlier treated as bad debt, which is earlier debited here as a bad debt, now recovered. So student, the amount which is recovered should be debited to cash account and should be credited to bad debt recovered account. So when the amount which is earlier treated as bad debt now recovered, the entry will be students cash account debit to bad debt recovered account. So firstly, when bad debts are happened, then it should be debited because bad debts are loss. When bad debts are recovered, it is the income of the business student. At that time, bad debt recovered account should be credited because all income should be credited to bad debt recovered account. Okay students, and the amount which is now become realized is student rupees 600. Okay students, and the narration will be for bad debt written off earlier now realized. For bad debt written off earlier now realized. Okay students, next is the fifth. Received 40 paise in a rupee from Hari as first composition out of total debt of rupees 6000. So Hari owes to business rupees 6,000, but he pay only first installment, that is 40 paise. Okay students, so amount is received from Hari. Okay, the entry will be students cash account debit to, from whom cash is received, from Hari account to Hari. Okay, so we do not write the word account. Okay students, so cash account debit to Hari, and the amount which is received is 40 paise. So student, this is for your understanding only. So from 6,000 of total debt, rupees 40 paise is received. So by multiplying 6,000 into 0.440, the amount is 2,400. So from Hari, 2,400 rupees are received. Okay, and the narration will be for first installment received from Hari. For first installment received from Hari. Clear students? The next and the last entry of this question is students received rupees 2,000 as final installment from Hari. So students, first of all we do some calculations. So we do calculation by making a working note. Okay students, so the total money due from Hari, total money due from Hari is 6,000 paid in first installment. So in our second last entry is related to first installment of Hari. So he paid in first installment rupees 2,400. We already paid and we already passed the journal entry related to this, and the remaining amount is students 3,600. So now remaining amount is 3,600 which Hari has to pay. But in our last entry it is written that received rupees 2,000 as final installment, means he doesn't pay 3,600 full, he only pay 2,000. Okay, he only pay 2,000 and the remaining amount is treated as bad debt. Okay students, final installment students 2,000 and the remaining amount that is treated as bad debt, and the bad debt is students from 3,600 we have to deduct 2,000 which is received, and the rest of the amount is student 1,600 is treated as bad debt. Okay students, so I will repeat it. Working note. Okay, total money due from Hari 6,000. In first installment he paid rupees 2,400 as in the sum that 40 paise he paid. Okay student, remaining is from 6,000 deduct 2,400, the remaining amount is student 3,600 which is paid by Hari. But in the last transaction it is written that only final installment paid only rupees 2,000, means rest of the amount which is not paid is treated as bad debt. Okay students, from 3,600 he only paid 2,000 and 1,600 is treated as bad debt. So the entry will be student at this time, the last entry of this question, cash account debit. How much amount he received as a final installment? Rupees 2,000. So 2,000 he received in form of cash, so that's why we debit the cash account. How much amount treated as bad debt? So bad debts are loss of the business. Okay students, so that's why bad debt account should be debited, because all expenses and losses should be debited. How much amount is treated as bad debt students? 1,600. Okay, so cash is debited with 2,000 as final installment received. The remaining amount is 1,600 is bad debt, and we write the name of the person to Hari Okay, and the total amount which is due from Hari 3600. Okay students, and the narration of this for final installment received from Hari. Final installment received from Hari. Okay students.